Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Segway scooter keeps making beeping sounds and you're not sure why, don't worry because this is a common issue experienced by many riders. A Segway scooter may beep to indicate low battery power, incomplete activation, speed warnings, or temporary system errors. Fortunately, continuous beeping does not always mean that something is seriously wrong. In many cases, a few quick checks can help identify the cause and stop the unwanted sound. Before assuming that the scooter needs repairs, there are several simple troubleshooting methods worth trying. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that may help fix a Segway scooter that keeps beeping. Try these. Step 1. Check the battery level of the Segway scooter and recharge it if necessary. Step 2. Verify that the Segway scooter has been properly activated through its companion app. Step 3. Review any warning messages displayed by the Segway scooter. Step 4. Restart the Segway scooter to clear temporary system glitches. Step 5. Inspect the Segway scooter for loose components or unusual conditions. Step 6. Confirm that the Segway scooter operates normally and that the beeping has stopped.